Welcome. In PowerPoint, you can easily sharpen or soften your pictures and images. Sharpness refers to the clarity and detail of an image's edges, while softness indicates a lack of defined edges, resulting in a smoother, blurrier effect. Select the picture to modify. Go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, expand the corrections. In the Sharpen, Soften section, select one of the presets to apply effects. To apply custom values, right-click the picture and select Format Picture. Click the picture icon. Under Picture Corrections, in the Sharpen Soften section, move the Sharpness slider to the left for Softness and to the right for Sharpness. You can also type a custom value in the text box to adjust the effect. To clear the applied effects, go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, click Reset Picture.